Alright, on the test bench today is a X702 X Thunder series by MTX audio amplifier. It is 140 watts RMS, 2-channel amplifier. I bought it used as is for repair or parts. So we're going to dive into it. Alright, so let's take a closer look at it. Not too bad. Oh, notice there's a few screws missing. 30 amp fuse. Crossover action going on over here. RCA is on too bad. I don't see anything broken in here. You got your high input. Not too bad. Let's flip her over to the side. No fan on this side. How about the other side? No fan as well. This is bent over here. Your mounting bracket. Go back to the other side. That one's nice and straight. Not bad. Shout out to the Rust Squad. You know who you are. Rust everywhere. Overall, yeah, it's alright. Decent condition. Alright, let's go ahead and take out the bottom plate. And today I am using bin number 4. Okay, now what other three is this? And as always, grab the plate, and the first thing we do is flip her over and look underneath it. And we inspect it to see if there was any activity going on, anything blown, anything discolored. In this case, nothing but dust and cobwebs, and who knows what else this stuff is, as you can see. So we're going to be carefully put this off to the side, facing up, and I don't want that getting anywhere. Soon I'll be going into the shop, dropping that off. Alright, first thing I noticed is these type of clips. Gotta love those. Still ones with a hole, but I do have a tool for that. Pop it right out, nice and simple. Also, not much going on in this amplifier. So the board, you'd be facing it that way. I'll have you take a look at it. You tell me if you see anything out of whack, out of place, blown, whatever. You tell, and yeah, you're the first to see. I'm just looking in the screen here. Alright, now I'm going to see if I'm getting anything into these caps in my power supply section. And stop there, huh? But interesting. Yeah, right now I'm just doing a visual inspection. Oops, no, I thought I didn't have it, but I got it. File that to the side and do the next one. These don't take much, but some of them are real tough. Oh, that one's a bigger one. That one goes in the middle. Okay, you gotta remember that. Come up. And then, yep, okay. And that one is 8. Okay, it's going. Yes. Yeah. Okay. Now, for the next set of FETs in the rectifiers, here's a little trick that I do to make it nice and quick. I just go to the beep mode, make sure I'm on beep mode, right? And all I do, now, when I press the rectifiers on each end of each leg, it should beep. That's what you want. Okay, that one's good, and that one's good. Now, for the output, if I go at each end, in the middle, it should not beep. If it beeps, you got a problem. Nothing. Middle, nothing. Two outers, inner, nothing. Outers, inner, nothing. One more. Outers, inner, nothing. Now, you can also check on regular ohm setting, and you're gonna get readings. Let's start on this one. I go from the first leg to the third leg, open that up, and then go to the middle leg and get your reading that way. So in this case, I don't know why it didn't happen. I think I'm not even touching it. Hold on, do that again. Outer, and then middle, Oh, there we go. Outer, middle. Oops. There we go. So it took a while. Not sure why it's taking a while. Usually that's pretty fast. Yeah. Anyways, I'll have to research that, why it takes a while to read. So right here, wobbling side to side. That needs to be addressed. So I'm gonna have to go through and check every point here. I'm gonna have to check all of these just to make sure that we're good. So yeah, and that is a capacitor, by the way. It's a small one here. That leg. Let's add a little more here. Might as well do the other side. That cap was taking a beating. Yeah, see that this right here has been replaced. Alright, my tip is coming loose here. Hate when that happens. No, not that. Was it that one? Hold on, let me find it again. Okay, I found it. Okay. Now it is that one. There it is. See it? There's a crack right around it. It's not focusing now. Anyways, it's that one there that's in view. So I can't go. Maybe it's down here. I like to find a way to do this. Get some up close shots. But anyways, yeah, that one's cracked. Jesus Christ. Yeah, this amp took a beating. What the hell? Bubbling. I've never seen that before. What the hell? Yeah, I gotta clean that tip. There we go. What component was that? It was this one here, a resistor. Well, anyways, I've got quite a bit of checking up over here to do. It's not looking too good. There's a lot of cracked solder that I can see. What a mess. I'll tell you that much right now. I've never dealt with so many before, like this amp. What's up here? I'm gonna have to check this chip here. Alright, so this checked out okay. Everything here is alright. So after that, I came back onto the board and I'm looking, and I believe I spotted a burnt diode. Check it out. Let me see if I can zoom in. And it's gonna be an awkward angle. Okay, right about here. That's the best I can do on that. And then I'm going to hold it steady as I point out to you right here. Here's the diode, right? And right here where it goes into this yellow substance, which is a Cu glue, there's burn mark all the way around it. Alright, so that diode is actually checking out pretty good. It's fine. I thought it would be blown. It's not blown. There is discoloration in here. I grabbed a knife and I pried a little bit out of there as a sample. Looks pretty good. And it is reading what it's supposed to be reading. That is 10 ohms. So, all the other components looking pretty good. Testing out very well. I did notice something here, quite unusual. 2 missing resistors, or just not installed. Not sure what that's all about. Very strange. I want to confirm that this has been changed. A lot of these components have been changed. That this amplifier had prior work done to it. Overall, they did a decent job, except the soldering part of it. It is good quality components they installed. Alright, I have her all nice and clean, and she is back in the heat sink. Put the clips all screwed down, and all I have to do is add some power, and let's see what we have here. And here we go. Ready? Turn her on.
You can hear some background noise right there.
Now, what the hell's going on? Hold on. Whoa, too high. Oh, shit.
Normally I like to put it to 50 hertz. Okay.
She's all hooked up. Got the probe on there. And let's see what we have. I can't seem to get the oscilloscope any better than that. Let me see. Like crazy, huh? Crazy waves on there. Let's see what this does. Okay. There we go. That's that one. Yeah, looking pretty good.